Yo, what's up everybody, how you doing? It's another day in Poland, but the last time at the same time after 1.5 weeks, maybe nearly 2 weeks. Such a lovely time, so happy visited family after so many years. It's time to travel for me again. I'm going to Canada, this time to see my good friend in Toronto. We're gonna explore Canada as well a little bit for around 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna come back again to Poland, flying also today by LOT Polish Airlines for the very first time, so I'm very curious. This is the Warsaw airport, by the way. That's the Renaissance, and there is the courtyard, both hotels by Marriott, in case if you would like to stay overnight because you have an early morning flight or you are just simply tired, you can just stay over here. Very nice hotel, cross the street and is terminal. Airports here in Poland, they are not so huge, however they're building the biggest airport in Europe here with outside the Warsaw. Gonna be the biggest airport in Europe in next upcoming years. Hopefully they're gonna finish, and that's the last shot from the outside. I will see you on the other side. That's the situation inside. The LOT business class, fast track, Costa coffee, upstairs business class. That's not for me, unfortunately, but one day for sure. Never stop believing and dreaming, guys. Self-checking and service if you would like to go. I'm flying only with the one luggage, like this one, with my jacket, probably gonna be cold, and the laptop in the backpack. That's it, so I can just basically proceed. My boarding pass already on Apple Pay, so nothing to worry about. And a lot of flights, actually, quite a lot for small airport, like, or maybe it's actually not that small. It's been a while when I was here last time, actually. I'm inside, and this is very nice car, Polish sports car, but from the era long time ago. Obviously that's the duty-free store, but a lot of selection of the beverages. Just wanted to show you the car, actually, because Sirena Sport, that was very rare. If you had the car like this one, that you made be very rich long time ago. I don't even know how many were made like this one, but it's cool. Overall, if you're looking to buy beverages, like a lot of interesting beverages, a lot, you can find here. I'm not gonna film anymore because probably YouTube gonna delay this video soon. And this is Żubrówka, the most popular vodka in Poland, the most traditional one. Great thing you can buy for the souvenirs, like this one with the grass inside. Grass, not weed. Smaller and bigger bottles, as many you want. After most interesting stores, like a previous one, what I believe for many of people from my viewers and all around the world, we have other bookstores, Warsaw store, and at the front I can see McDonald's instead also, and also a lot of stuff. Also want to show you what you could buy as the merchandise from Poland. That's the beauty store, something, a fashion gallery as well. But yeah, McDonald's, of course. Don't you worry, Poland have everything, like I said. Actually, it's quite busy though, I'm gonna tell you. Airport is actually pretty big and pretty bright. That's the IQOS brand for the innovative, well, not vibe, but the kind of cigarettes, electric one. But you can also smoke like this one in the box, squeezing. If you're smoking, you can, basically. But I couldn't handle it personally. But I'm not smoking, so it's obvious. And overall, this is it. Quite a lot of people, quite a lot of stores. Gonna look for some souvenirs if I'm gonna find. But overall, you could buy the beverage, like I said, like a premium food, another old Sirena car with another beverage, very famous in Poland, obviously. A lot of beverages, actually. Oh, pralines, chocolate one, Wedel, that's the Polish brand, since 170 years. And basically, oh, like a beautiful porcelain from Poland, handmade perhaps. You can see the mugs, other stuff, but of course Polish cabanos, which is very tiny sausage, dry. You can carry those for many days, no problem. This is also very good. Everybody will like it. I don't know anybody abroad who don't like the stuff. Of course, any kind of jams, honey, any other pates, and even mushrooms like this one, any kind of wild mushroom like my mama and papa picking up, especially my papa and my brother. Handmade stuff, everything, a lot of stuff actually you can find here for the gifts. Basically, there's whole section of the meats, what you can bring, and cheeses, and some people actually buying from overseas. This is ready to go. You can buy it legally and take it to your country, maybe not to Australia because you cannot bring anything to Australia basically, but to other countries you can bring a lot of interesting stuff. And the porcelain in Poland is also actually really cool. And of course, chocolates. But of course, what you can bring and what you cannot, you have to Google by yourself, because some countries allow some stuff and some others not. For example, when I'm flying to Canada right now, I can bring the alcohol and the sweets and the honey and any other stuff, but I cannot bring any kind of meat, even the dry cabanos. Same to USA, Canada, Australia, but other countries may be allowed. So you have to just read by yourself. Don't get yourself into troubles, obviously. They advertise also Audi in Poland. Not a big fan of Audi brand, but you can have it. And I'm gonna show you the terminal. Look like this one basically. I'm ready for the flight. And of course you have a huge variety of the decorations and proper souvenirs, mugs, even the drinking glasses and the toys and the magnets, pens, postcards, Polish birds, porcelain, bags, mugs. I mean, plenty, but a lot of you can find at the airport or specialized stores, of course. The Polish wolves here for the kids or something, books, chocolates, a lot of stuff really. And of course everywhere will be this one. Uploading video, gonna try to edit, maybe I'm gonna make it, maybe not, let's see. If not, so yeah, but that's the place. Quite a lot of people coming in. Very nice place actually, like this one. Hope so I can edit on time. Got my cappuccino, Pepsi in the bottle, glass. Just one more time, gonna show you the place because the people were there. So this is it. You can find everything you want here. Soon boarding time to Toronto. Boarding time today. Flying 787-900 Boeing Dreamliner. Such a beauty. And first time Polish Airlines in my life. Interesting. Let's see how it's worked out. That's the plane. Looks decent, isn't it? That's how does it look like inside the lot. Brand new Boeing 787-900. It's quite busy actually. Flight to Toronto probably gonna be 80%, 90%. Let's see if I'm gonna sit alone here or somebody gonna join me, not sure. But yeah, pretty busy though. The food arrived. I have Polish dumplings with some salad, juice, coke, salad, butter, bread and some dessert. Not bad. Dumplings on the board. This is something what I wanted to try actually. and it's bright outside because it's very up north. Actually, I'm gonna tell you really good stuff. The dessert for the plane economy, it's actually also really nice. Ladies and gentlemen, officially landed in Canada. Little bit of the view of the airport. I will fly domestically later on and leaving Canada as well, going back to Poland. I'm gonna show you a little bit more from the airport, but first look, also just wanted to show you a little bit. Well, basically this is a Toronto airport, of course, right? I'm gonna tell you a few words about the Polish Airlines lot. Actually, very nice. I'm impressed, super cool. Not only just because I'm from Poland, obviously, but I believe as the food and the customer service and how the people were nice and everything. And the food actually was really good. Food, I could say it was the best, even better than Singapore Airlines and Qatar Airways. However, overall, I could say as this lot airline could compete together with Singapore Airlines and Qatar Airways without any issue. But of course, by Skytrack, lot is on the position number 30. So it was never actually on the top 10 or top 3, especially like Qatar and Singapore. But is definitely high quality, good quality airline without any doubts. And the plane and everything was new. So nothing to complain actually. Arriving in Canada, and first thing what I can see is this huge Coca-Cola vending machine. I'm not gonna be thirsty here, that's for sure. So cool. Alright guys, I'm outside already, the terminal. It's different. Yo, what's up? How you doing? My friend gonna pick me up. I will see you probably tomorrow. That will be a lot of videos from Canada, guys. Thank you so much.